In the time-limited, fast-paced world of CEOs, high net worth individuals and high salary earners, finding a strategy that suits your busy lifestyle and consistently delivers impressive returns can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. That all ends today. Now, you've heard about trend following, a strategy that has dominated the financial markets and topped performance tables for decades. Legends like Richard Dennis and William Eckhart, creators of the turtle trader experiment, proved its worth. But here's the thing, very few know how to make it work. And that's where we come in. I'm Zahir Anwari, co-founder of Sublime Trading, a community dedicated to training professionals like yourself to invest in stocks, commodities, and the currency markets. Our proven trend following strategy is designed to seamlessly adapt to your lifestyle, enabling you to navigate the markets with confidence and success. In a saturated industry filled with short-term systems that overpromise and underdeliver, our distinctive long-term approach stands out for smart individuals seeking a reliable and durable system. I'm delighted that we have successfully reintroduced trend following into the public domain, making it accessible to those with a discerning eye for a proper investing edge. Here at Sublime Trading, being one of the exceptionally rare investing communities advocating trend following, has afforded me the opportunity to speak on an international stage while also establishing myself as a regular contributor to esteemed publications. And now we've taken our sought after trend following formula and transformed it into something groundbreaking. Introducing the Market Advantage Toolkit exclusively on Metastock. Born from over 25 years of combined trend following and investing experience between the co-founders, the Market Advantage Toolkit is where art meets science, where cutting-edge trading technology meets timeless compounding investing techniques, creating a hybrid approach perfect for you, the savvy retail investor. This is not about black box signals and outdated indicators. We have evolved beyond that and are now better and smarter at making sound investment decisions. The Market Advantage Toolkit is a complete system that can be effortlessly learned and executed, providing a repeatable trend following strategy that seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. And here's a critical component to the Market Advantage Toolkit that is regularly overlooked. The Market Advantage Toolkit also means developing a unique set of investing skills that are transferable to your kids and loved ones, ensuring the future financial success of generations to come. The Market Advantage Toolkit, once learnt and implemented within your family, will become invaluable. A legacy to be proud of. Here's how it works. With the Market Advantage Toolkit, you'll have access to an investing solution that will tell you 1. When to be in the market to maximize your chances of success. 2. What to invest in, cherry picking only the very best high probability stocks and assets for the portfolio. 3. How to invest in these stocks and assets to accelerate and compound returns safely. 4. Know when to take profit and rebalance the portfolio, removing emotions and guesswork. And 5. Repeat the process with the next set of high probability stocks and assets. And all done through a slick, user-friendly interface. Let's switch over to Metastock so we can see the Market Advantage Toolkit and our trend following strategy in action. In this demonstration, I'm going to run through the complete process from finding a top trending asset to managing it in your portfolio. This is a two-step filtration process. The Market Advantage Toolkit has you covered for both. Step 1 is scanning. To do this, we require the explorers. The Market Advantage Toolkit has 16 bespoke explorers. Parameters all fully explained. Remember, this is not a black box system. We designed the explorers to go through thousands of stocks and assets in minutes and shortlist the assets that meet a particular criteria. In other words, that display an edge. Now, question, what is an edge? An edge is identifying trending assets with more chance of returning a profit than a loss. As the saying goes, if you cannot define your edge, you don't have one. And if you don't have one, you will get eaten by someone who does. All good investors have a simple and repeatable edge. The Market Advantage Toolkit has you covered. Our edge is defined by a number of indicators across the monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes, which we call our blueprint. When these indicators are met, it means all three timeframes are aligned and moving in the same direction. This forms the spine of defining a high probability asset. The explorers search for part of this criteria in step 1. The expert advisors and indicators do the rest in step 2. We have a set of explorers for the US market, and that can also be used for other large cap global markets. We have a set of explorers for the UK market, and that can be used for other small to medium cap markets, such as the National Stock Exchange of India. These include explorers to find stocks and assets breaking out in a trend, and explorers to find stocks and assets pulling back in a trend. We use these explorers in line with the seasonal movement of the markets. During strong trending periods in the year, we turn to the breakout explorers, and during corrections in the year, we turn to the pullback explorers. The explorers efficiently sift through thousands of stocks and assets in minutes to find an initial shortlist of somewhere between 50 to 500 stocks and assets that meet our trend following blueprint. And that's step 1 complete. Step 2 involves opening up each stock or asset from step 1 with the 4-screen setup. For the breakout explorers, we use the 4-screen breakout page, and for the pullback explorers, we use the 4-screen pullback page. Each stock or asset on the list from step 1 is put through a deeper manual analysis using the 4-screen setup. In the top left corner is the monthly time frame, in the top right corner is the weekly time frame, and we have 2 daily time frames in the bottom left and bottom right. The monthly, weekly and daily bottom left are our analysis time frames. The daily bottom right is our strategy execution time frame. Each of the analysis time frames has its own set of indicators and expert advisors. And as a reminder, there is complete transparency with their settings. Again, this is not a black box system. Let's start with the monthly time frame. There are 6 indicators on the monthly time frame. When these indicators are met in a bull market, a ribbon appears at the bottom, confirming the start of a long-term bullish trend. The expert commentary will guide you on the precise parameters that make the monthly time frame bullish. Let's move to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame has 4 additional indicators. Again, when these indicators are met in a bull market, a ribbon appears at the bottom, confirming that the weekly time frame is aligned and bullish. And again, the expert commentary for the weekly time frame will guide you on the precise parameters that make the weekly time frame bullish. And finally, we go to the daily time frame in the bottom left corner. The daily time frame has a further 6 additional indicators and expert advisors. Again, when these indicators are all met in a bull market, a green ribbon appears at the bottom, confirming the start of a long-term bullish trend. And once again, the expert commentary will guide you on the precise parameters that make the daily time frame bullish. Let's go back to the 4-screen setup. And here's the beauty of the 4-screen multiple time frame analysis. When all 3 time frames are aligned, the monthly, the weekly and the daily are all bullish, and the ribbons on each time frame confirm that that particular stock or asset is bullish. That means it is ready to be placed into your portfolio. And this is where the daily in the bottom right comes in. So let's just open up the daily in the bottom right corner. The daily in the bottom right gives you the exact entry points, both for breakouts and pullbacks, as well as stop losses on every single position to seamlessly transfer into your broker account. Each position also comes with a risk-free level, after which further positions, also known as compounds, should be considered. The expert commentary will tell you the precise formulas that have gone into creating the entry points, the stop losses and the risk-free levels. And again, remember, complete transparency in our logic, because we built the Market Advantage Toolkit to create investors and not for people to simply blindly follow along. For bear markets, the indicators and expert advisors simply work in opposite to find short positions. This is an example for PayPal. you can see that the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frame in the bottom left corner are all bearishly aligned, and short positions can be considered. Let's have a look at some examples of stocks that the Market Advantage Toolkit has picked up and that we've invested in over the years. We'll start with Deere & Co, which moved 130% in around 10 months. IDXX, IDEX Laboratories, which moved around 140% in 14 months. McKesson Corporation, a healthcare stock, which has moved around 90% since 2021. CBOE, which has moved around 50% in 12 months. Jindal Saw, which is an Indian stock and has moved around 200% in 12 months. And 3i Group, which is a UK stock that has moved around 80% in 12 months. These are just a handful of examples of some of the amazing trends that the Market Advantage Toolkit has detected and that we've invested in over the years. Once in the rhythm and routine of using the Market Advantage Toolkit, this process will take you an hour, maybe two, depending on market conditions, making it perfect for weekend and evening analysis once the markets close. These indicators make it straightforward for you to go through a sizable list of stocks and assets in minutes to find the very best that the markets have to offer and that make it into your portfolio. I hope this presentation has shown you how we have combined the power of Metastock with the reliability and profitability of Sublime Trading's trend following approach to create a complete system for the savvy retail investor. We have moved away from outdated techniques and single indicators and entered a new era of investing. The Market Advantage Toolkit is your proven edge for consistently finding profitable long-term trends and creating a portfolio that compounds with confidence and clarity, ensuring continued success for you and your family.